Hello YouTube. Welcome to 2019. Today I'll be showing you how I played the Tim Godfrey outro. So we are in the key of F, and F is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's key of F. So first of all, I'll just break it down. If you've not seen the video, check my previous video. You'll see the link on this video. So it's like this. First of all, you'll be using both hands. You'll do something like this. Now let me break that down. Right hand is playing the A, B, C, D, B flat, D flat, E flat, F, and G. So that's for your right hand. Left hand, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, then E flat. So if you add both hands together, you play something like this. Let me take it again. Now that's the first part. So next part is, so we are landing here. Your right hand plays. So that's B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, C, F. Now when you get to F, your left hand will move to C sharp. So again. Then you play that 2 times. So first round. Next one. Now we move. So the last step is right hand, just a walk down within semitones. So left hand, same thing. Okay, so now change keys to C. Left hand, right hand. Right hand again. As E, G, F, D, C, A, D. Left hand, C, oh yeah, C, then B flat. Same thing like the other key. Sorry, but this time you are playing it just once. So that's C, D, E, So E, C, A, T, B, G. So